Describing Bill Mahre in a few words is a difficult task. To put it simply, Mahre was the epitome of a propane industry professional. He was rooted in safety, motivated by service, held an unmatched work ethic, and devoted his life to the betterment of the industry. Mahre got his start in 1952 in his home state of Minnesota, filling and delivering propane cylinders for St. Paul Bottle Gas Company. He held almost every position one could hold at a propane company, including safety director, manager, and vice president. It also happened to be the place where he met his future wife, Jerry. Mahre offered his services to the National Propane Gas Association, most notably as a leader on its safety committees, and he was an NPGA liaison to the NFPA 58 committee. On the state level, he was heavily involved in the Minnesota Propane Association, serving as president in the 1980s. After decades in the propane industry, Mahre ventured off on his own to establish Propane Technical Services in the early 1990s. He performed fire investigations and was an expert witness at trials involving propane companies, helping to represent the industry in court. His devotion to the propane industry was undeniable. He even had C3H8, the chemical formula for propane, on his Minnesota license plate. But his devotion to his family was second to none. Mahre and his wife Jerry had 4 children, and today have a lasting legacy of 9 grandchildren and 6 great-grandchildren. The two enjoyed spending time with the family at their cabin in Wisconsin, golfing and skiing. Skiing was more than a hobby for Mahre. During the 1980 Winter Olympics in Lake Placid, New York, Mahre served as the starter for the 70 and 90-meter ski jumping competitions. Mahre also offered his services when the St. Paul Ski Club needed a new chalet. With the help of another club member, Mahre headed fundraising efforts and saw through the construction. Today, he is enshrined inside that chalet as part of the St. Paul Ski Club Hall of Fame. He is also enshrined in the All-American Ski Jumping Hall of Fame. Mahre's lifelong devotion to his family and the propane industry is evident in his diverse resume that includes accolades from the propane industry and beyond. Now, this propane industry journeyman can add another accolade to his impressive list: LP Gas Hall of Famer.